What to do, peoples? All right, so let's see if we can teach ourselves how to do this properly. I guess we can start off with the easiest one. And then you know what? Is that what this is for? Hmm. No, don't think that's how that's gonna go. All right, back to the original plan. It's just an old wrapper or something. What I'm gonna end up doing is cutting off little pieces and making me some little stands. That's what we're doing. That's what's happening. All right. Let's see. Yeah, all I need is that little strip. Yeah, all right, there we go. So yeah, I'm gonna just cut this. Do I need more than that strip? Is this actually just enough? It's clear. We're gonna run it. Did they try to make it easy and give me some double-sided tape? Now, I should have some tweezers, but I don't. Well, I have some, but I'm not going to go get them. Okay, that kind of works. I say that works good enough for me. Next. He don't really need nothing, do he? Nah, he's straight. He's good. These other two. He's pretty decent. But this guy was giving me problems when I was trying to stand him up, so. Let's see. What's the best? Right there. All right. Hold up. Which one are we using? We're gonna use. And how much of it do we need? Well, we only need half. So let's cut this off into a little square. Little itty bitty little piece we need. Cut it in half. That's good enough. That's good enough right there. Yep. I guess I could use 2 on this one and 2 on the other one, just to make them sit like I want them to. Now, if y'all haven't noticed, I'm just getting into the building of dioramas, so we're going to learn together. We are going to learn together. Because I know I'm creative. I'm very creative, but I have no idea what I'm actually doing right now. And I don't usually say that to y'all, but I know I'm real. Let me give you the real raw, and that's dope. That's dope. I like how that came out. So, well, shit, why did I pick an orange car? Anyway, all right, let's get some perspective going. He coming with the tire. He already changing the front tire. I guess he got the L. No, that's welding. He welding. Let's see where the pipe at. He back here welding the pipe. He getting everything ready for the next car. All right, see, maybe. Yeah, there you go. There we go. My bad, y'all. It wasn't even in shot. Y'all couldn't even see what I was doing. And we on the roof of the garage. All right, let me show y'all. I ain't even finished this, but let's open this. We got the garage. That's what the inside of these garages look like. We got the top. That's what the inside look like. But it's pretty dope. That's pretty dope. Now we gotta do something about Joker. Need Joker to stand. So, matter of fact, this little piece should be good enough for Joker to stand on. It is. So we gonna take another piece of this. Joker came with his own stuff, but seeing as though I didn't need it for the other thing, and plus I'm kind of dry fitting right now to make sure, and then I'm gonna end up putting super glue on it because I'm not gonna worry about it. If y'all use double-sided tape, y'all know how it acts sometimes. It's a little finicky, especially when in the summertime when the heat gets to it. But there we go. Put that down. And the Joker is standing. Excuse me. Let me see. I have a Joker car. Not sure where it is at the precise moment of time. But he's standing. Stay tuned, y'all. Don't forget to hit that subscribe. Don't forget to smash that bell. Share the video if you like the content. Like the video if you like the content. Comment. Let me know what you think I should do better, what you think I should do different, how you think I should proceed. Like, let me know what your ideas are. I take constructive criticism. Keep it clean. I do have an attitude problem. I'm out.